What if Earth's greatest ancient structures were built thousands of years before cranes, bulldozers, or modern equipment existed? And no, this isn't about aliens. It's about human beings moving, cutting and stacking stones, weighing hundreds of tons with precision that still puzzles engineers. Tonight we're looking at 3 ancient structures where the biggest mystery isn't why they were built, it's how. Deep in Lebanon stands Baalbek, home to some of the largest stone blocks ever used. In its foundation, 3 enormous blocks, known as the Trilithon, weigh roughly 800 tons each. Imagine trying to move one of those nearly 2,000 years ago. How did they transport and position stones of this scale without modern cranes, heavy trucks, or hydraulic machinery? Researchers propose massive ramps, rollers, and enormous teams of workers. Those explanations are plausible, but placing them with perfect gapless precision is another story. We're still debating exactly how they pulled it off. Now travel to Egypt. The Great Pyramid of Giza is over 4,500 years old, made of 2.3 million blocks. Many weigh several tons, and inner granite stones weigh up to 50 tons each. But the real mystery is the precision. The pyramid's base is remarkably level, aligning almost perfectly with true north, south, east, and west. Standing in a desert thousands of years ago, without GPS or lasers, how do you achieve that? They used stars, shadows, and geometry. Yet, we are far less certain about their exact step-by-step process. Ancient engineering was far more sophisticated than we imagine. Perhaps the most visually insane example is hidden high in the Andes of Peru. Sacsayhuamán. Look at these walls. These massive stones are multi-sided blocks fitted together like a gigantic 3D puzzle. Some weigh over 100 tons. The joints are so tight, you can't slide a sheet of paper between them. They achieved this with hard rock, without modern saws or power tools. Workers likely hammered, ground, and reshaped blocks repeatedly. But how exactly did they move these mega stones through mountainous terrain and position them so precisely? That uncertainty keeps the mystery alive. All 3 sites point to the same paradox. We often ask, how could primitive people build this? But they weren't primitive. They just had different technologies. They lacked machines, but they had time, manpower, math, and generations of accumulated experience. Modern engineers can explain possible methods, but we don't know exactly how the original builders did it. Maybe we've underestimated what humans can accomplish with enough patience and organization. So, are we missing a crucial piece of the story? What do you think? Tell me in the comments.